Help me. Somebody help me. I'm being outnumbered by puppies. Taken over by puppies. We need help, don't we, Luce? She's not paying a bit of attention. Luce. Luce. We need help, don't we? Yeah. They're your pups. Do something. Oh, my. Look, she loves playing with them. Oh, Mama's not having that. I keep waiting for him to run down there at the end of the bed and jump and just go flying over the edge. And all that clothes pile I need to throw away. All them clothes. Uh-oh. Mommy's getting her. Better watch out. Mommy's not having it. That's part of my bed over there. Bed topper thing. They tore it up. I'm not saying they would do that to your bed, but or you can just have that piece if you buy a pup. I'll give that to you for free for them to chew up. Mommy ain't having it. Y'all better quit. She's wanting to clean their faces off, and you guys leave her alone. Hey, leave her alone. Be nice. Be kind, sister. There was blending in with you, Frankie. Where was? Get back. You'll fall.